I made this grappling hook gun out of a retractable badge holder that I found at the Dollar Tree. But before we get into it, don't forget to click that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out. I've always liked Batman's retractable grappling hook guns. I always thought those were cool. So I made one out of this badge holder that I found at the Dollar Tree. You can pick these up for $4 at the Dollar Tree. They come in a variety of colors. The grappling hook pieces are off the G.I. Joe Classic Collection line. The gun-shaped piece is the nozzle from a induster, or office dusting can, CO2 dusting can. I made a little S-hook that attaches to the back of it, and another S-hook that was part of a keychain, and it brought this together. I super glued this together. Hopefully it stays. Has so far. And this other one I just attached with some paper clips. I think they turned out really cool. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to click that notification bell so you don't miss out. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.